We have a great question that came in on YouTube from user Roman Empire. And this person says, so how do you learn this healing?
Oh, well, you can learn the basic quantum touch skills from the Quantum Touch, The Power to Heal book. You can learn from an online video. You can attend an online workshop that's given in real time, or you can attend a live workshop. So we've given 4 ways that people can pick up these skills. And of course, the live workshops are more compelling and you get to ask the questions in real time. And the direct experience of the work is always so much stronger when you're actually getting a session done to you and you're giving a session to someone else and you can see the results of the work in real time. It's much more compelling. But in terms of picking up the information, it's all there. I've never held anything back in my books or videos or anywhere. Everything is available for you.
Great. So Richard, how can they learn the alignments?
All right. I teach the alignments in the basic Quantum Touch book, Quantum Touch, The Power to Heal. That's in the online video. It's in the online workshops and the real workshops. It teaches people how to use the breathing and body awareness exercises to move the energy to cause these alignments. The second thing is the level 2 quantum touch teaches people how to do it without touching. So when I'm doing the distant work in Portugal or Dominican Republic or Romania, like the 3 videos I put up recently, that's using the level 1 to bring the energy up, and it's using the level 2 to project the energy. So that's how you can learn the alignments. And it's all available in all those different vehicles.
Excellent. And I'll post the link to the website in the description below. And thank you to Roman Empire for your question.